Back4App is a cloud-based backend as a service platform that simplifies app development by providing tools for hosting, managing, and scaling backend services. Here's how to use Back4App. Create an account. Visit Back4App and sign up using your email, Google or GitHub account. Confirm your email to activate your account. Create a new app. Log into your Back4App dashboard. Click Create New App, name it, and select a template or start from scratch. The app will be set up with a parse server backend. Access your app dashboard. After creating the app, access the dashboard to manage your database, APIs, and other resources. Use the database browser to define and manage data classes, objects, and relationships. Integrate the SDK. Download and integrate the appropriate parse SDK into your project. Use the app credentials from the dashboard to connect your app. Manage and scale. Use the Cloud Code section to write and deploy custom backend logic. Monitor usage, set up alerts, and scale resources as needed.